Dear friends, is maths a fun? Oh yes, maths is a great fun. I am Rajinder Chatana. Today again going to take some short tricks on integration. Now let's start. The first trick today I am taking, its name is TC बजावे CT, एक दूसरे के उलट. Now look here, these are two formulas. TC formula is integration of dx over a plus b sine square x. Whereas CT formula is integration of 1 over a plus b cos square x dx. Now, whenever you happen to get questions like this, first of all, we should be calculating what is T and what is C. And it is simply T over C. You have to find out under root of T over C, and T is already known. You have to only substitute in this formula. Now when we will be doing questions, you will feel that formula is very easy, and same way T हटाओ C लगाओ, C हटाओ T लगाओ. So these are just same formula, only C is to be replaced with T and T is to be replaced with C. Now let us go to the question part, and you will find that what I said is very easy, and you can find that the questions will be very easy to attempt. Now I have taken only one example. First is integration of dx over 6 plus 4 cos square x, and the other one is integration of 6 plus 4 sine square x. Now let us see the formulas. TC formula is sine square and CT formula is cos square. Look here, it is with 1 over a plus b cos square x is c by t, whereas t by c is integration of dx over a plus b sine square x. Now let us solve this. First case, TC case. Now look here, example is, what will be the integration of dx over 6 plus 4 sine square x? Compare it with a plus b sine square x. The formula is above. Now what is t and what is c? Look here, c stands for constant term. This pinkish color denotes c. 6 is c, that is constant term. And what is t? These 6 plus 4. In this case, the numbers are 6 and 4. You have to take their total. So it becomes 10. Now we know C, we know T. Simply put in the formula. T by C you have to find and take its square root as is given in this formula. So 1 over T. T is your 10. So 1 over 10. T over C. T is your 10 and C is 6. So it is 10 over 6. So in place of T over C under root, you will be writing 10 over 6 under root. Now the question is done. Look here. Answer is 1 over t. T is 10. T is 10. I have substituted t as 10. What is C? C is 6 and t is 10. Substitute here and the question is done. Now, in the case of second formula, you have to only replace C with T and T with C. Look here, it is T over C and here it is C over T. T has been replaced with C and C has been replaced with T. So, same thing will happen here. We know the value of constant term. We know the value of the T, total of A plus B. Now look here, C is here 6 and T is 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now substitute. On substituting this, the result will be 1 over C. C is your 6. C over T, 6 over 10. Put it in the under root, square root, and you will get the result. So, answer is tan inverse C over T, square root, tan x. So, it is very simple. First of all, you have to write C over T in the square root, then write tan inverse. Again you have to write 6 over 10 square root, write now tan x. So in one place you have to write tan inverse, in other case you have to write tan x. Only C by T has to be written in their front. So it is very easy to remember, hence the question will be done very easily. So let us move to the next one. Next is it is ABCD trick. Let us play criss, cross, criss. Criss is vertical multiplication and cross is cross multiplication. Now look here. The formula is this. When question is of this type, A cos x plus B sin x over C cos x plus D sin x. So A, B, C, D. You have to take care of A, B, C, D. Now, how to remember the formula? You will be doing this thing. Criss, cross, criss. So A into C is AC. B into D is BD. Look here. A into C is AC. B into D is BD. And now you cross. नीचे का एरो प्लस का, ऊपर का एरो माइनस का. जब आदमी ज़मीन पे आता है साइन प्लस का होता है, जब ऊपर जाता है साइन माइनस हो जाता है, पॉपुलेशन माइनस हो जाती है. सो यू हैव टू राइट cross multiplication as we do AD, A multiplied with D, AD and C multiplied with B, CB. ये ऊपर जा रहा है, it will be minus. ये नीचे आ रहा है, it will be plus. So once you have calculated this, then this is nothing. You look here, you have to find AC plus BD we have already found. AC is there, BD is there, and their sum we have already found here. You will be writing this sum here. Then in the denominator you have to find C square plus D square. C is known to you, D is known to you. Just find C square plus D square. Write here and here, both places. And numerators we have calculated this side, and denominator can be calculated when we are knowing what is C and what is D. So let us take up the examples and you will be finding that the question has become very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now First question is 2, 3, 4, 5. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 5. So, as per the formula, AC 2 into 4. Multiply it like this 2 into 4. Then 3 into 5. Add it. It has become AC plus BD. Now, square of 4 and square of 5. Now, look here what I have done. Firstly, we have to multiply 2 with 4. It is 2 with 4. Then you have to multiply 3 with 5. 3 into 5. Then you have to write C square plus D square. C is 4 and D is 5. 4 square plus 5 square. Then here it is AD minus BC. Look here. AD and minus B. Cross multiply. So when we will cross multiply 2 into 5, 10. Look here. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 3, 12. 10 minus 12. It will become minus 2. It will become minus 2. Niche 4 square plus 5 square. That is 41. So question is done. Very simple. Now let us go to next example. Supposing there is no sin x in the numerator, only cos is there. So we will write 0 sin x. So we will go ahead as per this. So C is 3, A is 3, B is 0, C is 5, D is 6. So let us go with this. So 3 into 5, 0 into 6, 3 into 5 is 15, 0 into 6 is 0, then 5 square plus 6 square you have to write here. Now cross multiply. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 6 is 18. Right here. 0 into 5 is 0. You have to minus this. Arrow is going up. So, niche a square, c square plus d square. 5 square plus 6 square. You have to also write log of niche wala. What is denominator here? Denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. You have to write here. You have to write the denominator here. Similarly, you will be writing the denominator here. Same way, let us go to example number 3. Now, this is apparently not same as we have discussed, because we need sin and cos in the numerator and sin and cos in the denominator. But here it is 1 over 1 plus tan x. Now, if we write tan x as sin x over cos x, then we will get on solving cos x over cos x plus sin x. Now, there is no sin x term, it will be 0. So, now A is 1, C is 1. Multiply. 1 into 1. This is 1 into 1. CD. AC. Then BD. This is B, this is D. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Niche. 1 square plus 1 square. Same way, you will be writing here, cross multiply. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into 1. 1 and 0 into 1 will be 0. So it will be 1 over 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So here you have to write x as per the formula. You will be writing x here as per the formula. Here you will be writing log of the denominator, and question is done. Similarly, if instead of tan x there is cot x, you will be writing cos over sine, and on solving, sine will go up. Sine has come up, There is no cos here, so 0 cos. So same way we have to take up this question, and you see it is very easy if you remember the trick. Trick is like this, it is ABCD and we have to go for crisscross. So it is very very simple. Now let us go to the next. The third trick is, it is based on the limit sum property of the definite integrals. Look here, the formula is, if there is a question like this, integration a to b fx over fx plus f a plus b minus x. What is this? A plus b is sum of the limit. So limit sum. So it is called limit sum property. So we will be adding the both the limits here, a and b. We will be adding them. It will become a plus b. Answer will be half b minus a. Very simple. Very simple. Now look here. First question is sin 4x over sin 4x plus cos 4x. Now, if we apply the formula, now look here, fx is sin 4x. नीचे भी fx है, sin 4x. Now replace x with 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. 0 plus pi by 2, a plus b minus x. So 0 plus pi by 2 is pi by 2 minus x. So sine will become cos. So it will be, this formula fits into the format, and answer is half b minus a. b is pi by 2, a is 0. So it is half pi by 2 minus 0, it becomes pi by 4. Similarly, let us go here. Sin x there, sin x there. This cos x has become due to this formula, f of a plus b minus x. So when you add up this, so it will become complementary. Pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x. Answer will be half b minus a. b is your pi by 2, a is 0. So same way here also, same way here, same way here, same way here, same way here. Look here, so many questions can be done with the help of this trick, and it is very easy to remember that you have to only take the half difference of limits. That's all. However, you have to be sure that in the numerator there should be a function. Same function should appear in the denominator, and after adding the limits you have to subtract x from the function. You have to write that also. So then this question is eligible to become half b minus a. That's all. So now you find that if you know the tricks, questions are very easy. You can just write in chutki mein. There's no problem. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and I request you to kindly subscribe this, so that I go on coming to the YouTube or any other channel for your benefit. Thank you very much. Bye.